Hi guys, I'm gonna show you how to upload videos easy. So first we go over here, yeah? My then we click my channel. Then it might say like first name, last name, yeah? And yeah, this is a video I'm gonna make here. Then we go to customize channel. Not YouTube Studios, customize channel.
Yeah.
Then we're gonna go on to this button. We click that, then we press upload video. Then we can drop videos or make videos like this. Like
he's good.
this testing.
Smelling.
Like this testing I made. Which will, take a long time, but awesome. So if this video helped you, thank you very much, and please like, subscribe, and yeah, goodbye.